Today I'm sharing what I eat in a day video, which I'll be uploading daily for the next 7 days. I like to start my day with a glass of structured water. 15 minutes later, I have my bulletproof cocoa. It's also my pre-workout drink and helps me to extend my intermittent fasting without raising my glucose levels. I have already shared how to make bulletproof cocoa. Please do check it out. Links will be updated below this video in the description box. Today for breakfast I'm having rice puttu, onion roast, boiled egg and a salad with cucumber and carrot. I made this puttu using 3 tablespoons of homemade rice flour. Along with this I'll also be having 1 ripe organic plantain. Today for lunch I'm having some cucumbers as a salad. I had some beans stir fry which I made yesterday, so I'm using that today. Beetroot thoran, again this was made yesterday. And today I made fresh dal curry. This is just simple dal curry made with tomato and I gave a tadka. For tadka I used wood pressed groundnut oil. Homemade tomato pickle. And this is thooyamalli rice. I prefer to use cold rice as rice stored in the refrigerator will become a good source of resistant starch which helps in good gut health. What I do is this rice has been kept in the refrigerator overnight. So in the morning I keep it outside the refrigerator and allow it to come to room temperature. I don't reheat the rice. You can of course reheat the rice and the resistant starch will not decrease much. So this is room temperature thooyamalli rice. Along with lunch, I am also having 1 medium-sized guava. I have sliced 1 medium-sized cucumber, grated 1 carrot and grated a small piece of raw papaya, also known as green papaya. The enzyme in green papaya helps in maintaining good gut health. Hence, I try to include green papaya or raw papaya in my diet as much as possible. Next, I'm adding in half of an avocado. Sprinkling in some soaked pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. I soaked the pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds and Brazil nuts for about 8 hours. And now I'm going to grate the Brazil nut over the salad. Brazil nut is a good source of selenium. Sprinkling in freshly ground black pepper powder as needed. Squeezing in half of a lemon. 1/4 cup boiled chana, also known as chickpeas. And lastly, I'm drizzling in vegan mayonnaise. I have already shared how to make vegan mayonnaise. Links will be updated below this video in the description box. Please do check it out. And my super healthy salad is ready to serve. So guys, I'll be back with another what I eat in a day video tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.